If your dashboard warning lights are flashing, especially for the engine or brakes, that's a clear sign your car needs attention. Strange noises like grinding or squealing shouldn't be ignored either. Smoke from the hood or leaks under your car can point to fluid problems or even burning smells. Trouble with steering or brakes makes driving unsafe and should be checked right away. And if your car is stalling, shaking, or losing power, it's a sign of performance issues that require repair. Don't wait. Get your vehicle checked now to stay safe on the road.